One of your strongest limitations may be that you're playing small. And playing small is allowing you to feel constrained and stuck where you are. Stay tuned in this video to break out of that and start playing a big game. Hey, Scott Haug here, and today's video is going to be a short mini lesson on playing big instead of playing small. A lot of us seek security and safety and certainty, so much so that we play a small game in terms of our success, our potential, and where we could go in life. And when we're playing this small game, it's almost like we're constraining our life force, we're constraining our essence, we're constraining who we truly are. And it's almost always out of fear. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of the unknown, fear of uncertainty, you name it. So when we're in this fear, doubt, worry, or potential risk constantly weighs on us mentally. And we play a game that feels comfortable and familiar to us. The funny thing about it is you playing the game of comfort and familiar with your success, with your business, with your job, with your personal life, whatever it is almost solely from your childhood traumas. When we are experiencing life a long time ago, when we were small, teenage years, any of those times, there's almost always a lot of emotional impacts to us. And we have this feeling like we need to create safety for ourselves. In other videos in the future, we're going to go really deep on this process. But for now, it's good to know that much of what we think is big or small solely depends on how safe we feel with the thing. So for example, if I feel I'm starting out, and I want to get to that 10K plus per month mark, right? I'm maybe at $5,000, $6,000 right now. I'm trying to go for the 10K. But I'm playing small in my mind. I'm playing small in what I think I'm capable of, playing small in what I think is possible for me, whether 10K is possible or not. The funny thing about it is those thoughts are not coming from realistic ideas. Those thoughts are coming from childhood experiences. 10K a month might have been insanity to your family. There's no way anybody's making 10K a month. Sounds like a big number kind of idea, right? So since I experienced that in childhood, I feel very unsafe and unsettled with the very idea that I could be the one for a 10K per month mark. Does that make sense? And upwards from there, 50K a month, 70K a month. We're talking about money. We could talk about anything, okay? But my concern, my doubt about myself, my capabilities, my doubt of the possibilities is solely coming from a place a long time ago in your childhood, teenage years, somewhere around there, where whatever you thought was possible or impossible was defined at that point. Whatever was safe or unsafe was defined at those moments in time. So what I strongly encourage you to do is start playing a bigger game. How you're going to play that bigger game is starting to entertain ideas of what it means to be at a level of success that you want to be at or desire in some sort of area of life. As you start to think of that idea, what you're going to do is start to visualize and be in that space and feel the nerves, feel the uncomfort, feel all of the different feelings and things that are going throughout your body, and be with them. Don't run from them. Don't try and do affirmations. Don't do any of that stuff. Be with that. What's going to happen is you're going to start increasing your capacity to play that bigger game. And what it's going to do is rewire your entire nervous system, rewiring your conditioning, and rewiring what you feel and define as safe and comfortable for you. So what we're doing is we're redefining what's safe, comfortable, and certain for us. So the small game is feeling familiar and certain to you, but that's just because a long time ago you experienced that. When we're playing the big game, we need to start redefining everything. Step by step redefining who you are, redefining what's possible, writing it down and being with the feelings that come up as you start to explore and express a higher game to play. See, I probably sure you believe in this as well, but I don't think we were put here to play small on this earth. I think you have genius and capabilities locked within you that are here to be expressed in this physical lifetime. And I don't think anybody was ever really in a place where you should be playing small, you should only earn this kind of money, you should only do this with your career. No, I think there's something really big for you right now in this lifetime that you were born to do. Especially noting that you're listening to a video like this to grow yourself, grow your capacities, and your strength for a next level. That's not by coincidence. You're doing this because you do feel that. You do feel that potential. So what I say is go for it. But you don't need to force it. You don't need to just strive and work 18 hours a day to get there. What I want you to do instead is work the energetic field, work the nerves, work the uncomfort, try and take some positive risks, doing things differently than you normally do. It's not always easy. I have to check in with myself about this as well, right? But as you start to explore this, you're going to start to open up your field of potentiality, your field of possibilities entering your life, okay? Go for it. And this isn't for those who actually want it easy and soft the entire time. What I'm trying to say here is if you want to just go the easy route or the soft approach where nothing really gets difficult or hard, you're going to be really not so open to your frequency shifting and the capacity of it shifting. Yes, things can get easier, but we're supposed to go through this lifetime with positive challenges to help our soul ascend and grow to a higher level. So look for what is challenging you. Look for the things that are getting you uncomfortable. Look for the ways and things that you're doing right now that's saying, you know, I don't think this is where I want to go in life, okay? So start saying, how can I start building that business if you don't have one right now? If you have a business, how can I start scaling that business? How can I serve my clients more? What value can I bring to this world even more? Start thinking on that frequency. You're going to start thinking of a larger game. And again, that's the message in today's video. Be on a mission to fulfill your potential and allowing yourself to align with the higher version of you. Take today's video and run with it. I'd listen to this first thing in the morning. Get yourself in a spot where you're not motivated, you're aligned. Big difference there. So that you stay in alignment with who you really are and not fluctuate. Motivated, unmotivated, motivated, unmotivated. You want to be in a spot where you're self-accountable to your dreams and ambitions. All right. And if you need some help with this, we got our mentorship. I can work with you one-on-one or at a lower cost as well. We have our group style coaching, very affordable to any person on the face of the planet. So go ahead in the description below, go ahead and learn some more information, book a call with my team, allow yourself to start expressing yourself and your whole capabilities. And also, if you want to teach this information, law of attraction, manifestation, personal development, you love helping people, you want to have a thriving coaching business, link in the description below for our certification as well. Both of these are linked together. It's a certification and mentorship. You get both. It's the best of both worlds. Build a great business with a great opportunity. It's kind of like a franchise in a way. I teach you everything A to Z and have a lot done for you A to Z while getting guided from myself and my team of guides and coaches to bring you to a whole new level as well, okay? That's one of your spots. Maybe playing small as you don't have guidance. Playing a larger game is getting some guidance, getting some certification going, getting some program, a business opportunity, and a guidance of where you need to go. So maybe this is your opportunity to step forward into your bigger game. Link in the description below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Be here with us. We're growing a very large community here, and I want you to be a part of this as we grow, expand to the next level. If you find any value in this video today, make sure to throw a like on the video as well. Stay tuned for our video every single week here, these special edition videos, because we're about to take things up a notch. Okay, so again, make sure you're subscribed so you get notified when we send out all of these other manifestation content style videos in the future. All right, Sky Haug signing off here. Play big, no need to play small. Check in with yourself. Check in with your uncomforts. Allow yourself to feel the nerves. Allow yourself to feel the expansion and keep moving forward.